Hi friends, this video shows how you can buy the Bob's Repair ICO or how you can participate in this Bob's Repair ICO. So before you participate, you should first register and then also complete the KYC. As you can see, I have already done that things. And the next thing that you have to do is buy these tokens. So for that you can use different types of cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, or you can also use BTC, that is Bitcoin, and you can also wire transfer using the USD. So right now I'm gonna show you how you can use the Ethereum. So purchase if you want to purchase the this Bob tokens or the Bob's Repair tokens with one ETH, then you will get 6,000. But I'm not gonna put that much amount of money. I'm just gonna purchase zero point 0.1 ETH worth of tokens. So I will get 20% of bonus if I buy it now. Now I have already given this address. This is my address of the Ethereum wallet, and I'm gonna send the money to this address. So I'm just gonna copy this one, and then this is the MetaMask that I have already configured in my system. And let me unlock my wallet. So here you can see that I have got 0.477561 worth ETH, and I'm gonna purchase it now. So for that, click on send, and here put the recipient address. I just copied the recipient address as this address, and then here put the amount that you want to purchase, then click on next. Then here you can set this gas limit and other stuff. I'm gonna put here 11. So I generally keep it at high because otherwise it runs out of gas price, so I don't want to that to happen. So I'm gonna put it 25 or 24 like that, and accordingly that transaction fee is also shown. Maximum transaction fee is shown over there, and the maximum total is shown also shown there. Then you can click on submit, and then the transaction will be confirmed. So after hitting submit, that amount will be transferred, and you can check the status. Just click on this transaction, and then here you can see the status of your transaction. Right now it is on pending, and within a few seconds it will be confirmed. So you can see that the successful transaction has happened, and next thing that I want to do is to go to this Bob's Repair and then check if I got my transaction will be appearing over here. So it takes a while before this transaction will appear because they needed a lot of confirmations. Right now only 2 block confirmations have happened, but as time passes, there you will get a lot of confirmations. So at least 10 to 20 confirmations are required before the transaction will appear on this website Bob's Repair, and then that's it. Your transaction is complete, and you will get the tokens that way. So only 2 days are left. If you want to purchase these tokens, do not waste your time, just go ahead and buy these tokens. And let us go to the distributions tab over here. So here you can they are saying token still stage, initial token price and bonuses, token pre-sale. Alright, so after some time the my transaction will appear over here. Let us refresh if it has come through or not. Let us see that one, and still it is not coming. So sometimes it takes a while. You have to be patient enough to see your transaction. So right now you can see only 8 block confirmations have occurred. Normally they wait for lots of block confirmations, and then that's why there is a delay. And then you can transfer these tokens to your wallet as well, or at the end of ICO they will transfer it. So this Bob's Repair is actually a company in United States, and they've actually already a business running there in the USA, wherein they connect the traders and consumers. So I found this ICO very interesting, so I will recommend this ICO to everyone. You can also go ahead and invest in this particular ICO. It's very nice one. Thanks for watching this video.